So I've been reading this book, alright? There's no justice, there's just us. Understand the police and knowing your rights. And I came into a part of this book where it explains a few things. But before I get to that, I want to read you a few of the notes that I took. The police mentality is honestly fuck the public and to stand by other officers. Now, the reasons why people deal with the police are if you're suspected of something, if you're a victim, or you're a witness. So unless you're one of these three things, there should be no reason why the police are really harassing you. Now, it is the duty of an officer to identify an offense. So it is within a cop's good reason to identify crimes that are being committed within our society. And how they do this is by police keep their incident logs. They keep their little reports and they have investigation duties to do. Now, police mostly use a victim-centered approach for crime recording. So they try to get a hold of the victim and try to understand the crime. Sometimes there's no victim in the crime, but still they're trying to figure out this. So what they need is evidence. Now, there's a few types of evidence. What I wrote down was there's tangible evidence like a gun, are like stuff like that. So there's demonstrative, where you come up with a theory and then you demonstrate how your theory is more likely to be positive. There's documentary. So when documentary is like receipts, evidence, blogs and stuff like that, and testimonial. With testimonial is one of the ones they use a lot, which was they get somebody's testimony, they get somebody to talk and tell them what's going on. Now, statements are very important for the prosecution because they can be used in court. If the police don't have evidence, we don't have trials, and then we don't have a society that can prosecute criminals. The state must prove you are guilty, not for you to prove you're innocent. So you got to remember that. And you got to remember too, you have the right to remain silent, because anything and everything you say will be used against you. Especially your unsolicited comments. They're always noted down.